Привіт-привіт з Техасу, Хоуді, Go Longhorns. Мене звати Інна, my name is Інна. Вітаю вас на каналі Speak Ukrainian. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. Guys, in this video I would like to tell about very special opportunity for my American subscribers. You can learn Ukrainian language with me next year. How to do that? So please listen carefully. From November the 1st until November 15th, almost 11 days, the registration for the online auditing course is opened. So if you would like to learn Ukrainian language with me during the spring term that starts from January 13th and it ends on April 28th, so you can join the online first year Ukrainian course and learn Ukrainian language with me. You know that I don't teach Ukrainian language anymore. Currently I've been teaching here in Texas, and there is also an option to take an auditing course. What does it mean? So you can just take the course, you can learn the language together with me, with other students. You can do the exercises together, do the homework, but the only thing that you can't get grades, but I think you don't need it. So, how to do that if you're interested? I will add all information and then the links to the description of this video. So you have to obtain a class auditor permit from the Texas one stop. And also you have to get consent from the instructor. It's me, and I will give it to you because you are my subscribers, you are my students. And non-students under the age of 68 are charged an audit fee of $20 a course. Guys, you can join an online course and learn the beginner Ukrainian with me just for $20. That's a very unique opportunity. Preferably that you should know some basics of the Ukrainian language, the alphabet, how to read, some very basic stuff like basic vocabulary, basic like grammar, and then we can just learn it together with you, and you can just get like a confident beginner level at the end. And what about the days and the time? Actually, here at the University of Texas, they offer to learn Ukrainian language as a beginner intensively on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And I can offer you 2 times. It can be either 10 a.m. or noon. And the lesson, it lasts like 50 minutes. So guys, I think that's a very good and very, very affordable offer. And you can learn Ukrainian language with the best and the most popular Ukrainian language teacher and YouTuber. So I talked to the university staff, to the dean, and they said, yes, you can do that. And also I have to tell you that the reason why I would like to do that, as I teach here at the Department of Slavic and Eurasian Studies, but in it we have the Center of Russian, East European and Eurasian Studies, and Russian is on the first place, and everything is about the Russian here, everything is advertised here, and there are so many courses, Russian language courses and literature, whatever, and just 2 courses for the Ukrainian language. And I feel very upset about that, and I would like to extend it and to show the department here, and like that there are lots of people in the world that would like to learn Ukrainian language, and especially in the United States. So guys, please check out this offer for you, and all the information again to description of this video. If you have any questions about it, you can email me inasamoi94@gmail.com. And будь ласка, you're welcome. Hope to see you next semester. До зустрічі and па-па. Bye-bye.